That's why I'm going to live to see you, my subscribers. Please continue to support my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click the notification bell down below to update you more videos and vlog every time I'm going to live. And I hope you are all okay. Ayan, Diane Manja, mega love shoutout. I'm subscribed already. Okay, thank you so much, Diane, because you are already my subscriber, one of my subscribers, because I am only at 3,200 plus my subscriber to 3,248 subscribers I have. I hopefully I get a more than subscribers until million subscribers. Oh, a dream come true. Ayan, mega love shout out everybody. Thank you so much for tuning us. How's your life, everyone? Did you eat now your lunch, dinner? What time over there in your country? Is it evening? Is it a morning? Is it lunch? Or you are in work? Thank you so much for tuning us. Ayan, mega love shout out everyone. Just good vibes only. Just make happy. Grabe kalaki ng Adam's apple mo. Yes. Jewel Finance. Do you want Adam's apple? Jewel Finance, thank you so much for coming on my live. Wait, I will go. I will give you moderator. Ayan, Joel Finance. Taga saan si Joel Finance? Ayan, may love shout out. Nice one. Sabi ni Diane Manja. Ayan. Taga saan si Joel Finance? Ayan, where you from? Taga saan? Oh my God. Isang kaban. Ilang tissue? Yes. Isang kaban na bigas kibrang barang yuta. Madami ang inilagay. Okay, tinapay pa ang nilalagay ko kasi minsan kinakain ko rin. One time ako nung kinain ko, Diyos ko, nalanggam. Itong bunga ko, lumaki na ganyan. Oh. Oo, nalanggam pala, hindi ko na malaya. Kaya sa mga naglalagay dyan, tignan nyo maigi, wag kayong matulog na hindi nyo tanggalin kasi malalanggam talaga kayo, mga kibrang barang yun. Malalanggam kayo. Oo, may kaibigan niya ako, ang nilagay niya yung, ewan ko kung pwedeng bigkasin dito, baka tayo ay mapalo ni Lolo. Ang nilagay ng kaibigan ko ay yung plastic na nilalagyan ng tubig, oo. Nilagyan ng tubig, tapos nung time na sumayaw-sayaw sila, nagharutan sila, ayan o, bumuta sa bumulaga yung tubig, o, wala na, naging flat na siya. Oo, totoo yun, nangyari na yun. Ako kasi nilalagay ko yung baon ng niyog, yung tinapay, ganyan. Gano'n nilalagay ko, oo. Kasi kapag nagutom ako, kinakain ko. Oo. Pero tuwing gabi, tatanggalin mo yun kasi baka ikaw ay malanggan. Mahirap na, Dayan Maha. No? Huwag kang tatawa-tawa dyan, Dayan Maha. Mamaya uutot ka dyan ng malakas. Oo. Pag naipon yan, puputok yan. Ayun, shout out. Ayun, Joel Finance. Ayan. Thank you so much, Joel, ha.